And welcome everyone to Learn a Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. I just wanted to share something with you briefly. This is a training that I just was made aware of, and I wanted to share it with you because they're going to be they are releasing the new updates of their locations that they're going to be doing this training at. This training is with True Manufacturing on their new ice makers systems, and they are going to be providing in-person training. It's called Commercial Service School Registration. So this is basically telling you about the registration and giving you the dates. So I wanted to share this with you, and hopefully you guys can take advantage of this. The training is free. It's going to be at a location nearby you. So hopefully you're able to take that time and get that training, because these True units they're phenomenal. I mean, I've done some online training with True, and myself and some other technicians too that went through the online training, and these systems are phenomenal, and I see them coming into a lot of locations. As far as the C stores, I see them being able to go into a lot of locations. So, and this would be some great training for those that are new to the commercial side of things, or the commercial industry period, and looking to get into it. Like like we always said, I know I always say it. um Mike Reed on his channel, he always says it: the ice makers is a key piece of equipment for you to get your foot in the door in the commercial side of this industry. So definitely take advantage of this opportunity. So let me just go through what they're saying about the commercial ice service school registration. They're saying True Manufacturing is excited to offer service training on our state of the art commercial ice machines, which are setting new standards in the ice industry. In this session, we'll cover installation, maintenance, and servicing of True commercial ice products designed for efficiency, durability, and long-term reliability. Please select a location to attend in person. To attend in-person training. If there isn't a location near you, choose our online training option in the drop-down menu. Then complete the registration form for your session. So hopefully that's clear. And I just want to show you. I'll just go over it a little bit here. I'll go into it. This is a selection for March training location. So you just click on that, and it gives you all the locations that they're going to be at for these trainings. And then you also have the option for online training also. I'm going to see if I can find where that is. It said it was in the drop down. Oh, right there. There it is. So you could click on, if you want to take the online training, you could click on online right there, and then they'll register you for the online training. So that's just as good. I mean, I like getting the hands-on and being able to touch this equipment. But I guess it's up to your preference. But if it's not near you somewhere, that would be a good option as well. But I mean, look, they got California, Downey, California, Irwindale, California, Tulare, California, Colorado Springs, Denver, Colorado, Windsor, Connecticut, for those of you in Connecticut area, Jacksonville, Florida. I know a lot of you are down in Jacksonville area, Savannah, Georgia, Des Moines, Iowa, Indianapolis. You got Louisville, Kentucky, New Orleans. They even have a time set, 7:30 to 11:30 a.m. And they have two different time slots for New Orleans. So that's a real good option. They have another New Orleans from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Billings, Montana, Bozeman, Montana, all throughout. Raleigh, North Carolina, Omaha, Nebraska, Rye, New York, Dayton, Ohio. Then you have your online option, and then they have two in Austin, Texas, and San Antonio, Texas, and that's for the March training. So definitely get on. Click the link. I'm gonna put the link down in the description for you. Click the link and take that opportunity to get this free training. This is the dates for April down here. The towns, you just find a town close to you and then click on it, and then it'll get you registered. And see, this is all in April. Arkansas, Arizona, California, Florida, Illinois, Massachusetts. Yeah, throughout Massachusetts. So that's another good one for all of you in the Massachusetts area, Rhode Island area. They got Brentwood, Tennessee, and Texas again, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So they got a few dates in there, and this is all updated, everybody. So I hope you can be able to take advantage of this opportunity and check it out. Go on there, get registered, and then get that free training. So this was a quick one. I just wanted to go over this with you all. I wanted to share this today so you can get on it. You got March and April training dates for true ice machines. So take advantage of this opportunity and share this with those that might be interested in also getting that training. And just keep it up. Keep getting that training, because that's what it's all about. And I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'd like to thank all the channel members and the website members. Thank you all. I appreciate your support. And if this was good for you, just go ahead and click that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So that's all I have, everyone. Thank you for checking in, and take advantage of this opportunity. Click that link down in the description.